Here in the UK, with the designation of areas of national park, we're trying to preserve natural beauty, wildlife and cultural heritage, but we're also trying to preserve areas from development. Elsewhere in the world, in the United States for example, national parks are natural parks. We think about the Grand Canyon for example, whereas in Britain our national parks are maintained largely by virtue of the agricultural practices that we use in them. Now there's a movement to designate the City of London as a national park city, and I'm interested in whether designating London as a national park will actually achieve the aims to which everybody aspires, or whether again it will be an expensive nonsense.